finally they released the Honda NX500. Ito yung, hello anak, ito yung papalit ngayon sa Honda CB500X. So they just released it here in Makina Motor Show, and this is just gorgeous. Let's go to specs. This is the same engine as the CB500X. This is still using, this is still using 471cc na engine. What kind of shocks they're using? This is Showa shocks for the front. Naka Honda ignition safety system for the or his. And naka TFT display na siya finally. Here, small gripe, non-adjustable windshield, but of course minor lang naman yan. May provision siya dito for, I guess, charging port if you like to put one. So it has a space there. Tapos let's go sa small nitty-gritties. May rubber na yung sa foot peg, so less vibration, you know that. Sa rear, sa tires naman, this is riding on 160 by 60 by 17 tubeless tires on mags. Yeah, hindi siya naka spoke rims. So this one is on mags. Dual purpose tires. And ang gamit nila ay Dunlop LED signal lights on the rear, and LED rear lights. Okay, and maganda, medyo malapad siya tignan, although ang pinaka-tank niya is this one. Ito ay fairings na. May kasama na siyang handguard. Wala siyang skid plate or bash guard. Okay, so this is also riding on Dunlop for the front. This is 110 by 80 by 19 for the tires. Both are tubeless front and rear. Tapos naka upside down fork na rin siya. And they're using Nissin brake calipers. And one good thing that I like about this one compared to the Enfield is naka-parallel twin siya. Small difference in terms of displacement kasi this one is 471cc, the Enfield Himalayan is 452cc. But this is more more modern looking than the Enfield, of course, because Enfield is more centered on the classic looks. So doon, round headlight. This one is more modern. Tapos dual disc brakes on the front there. The Himalayan is using single disc brakes only for the front. And here, of course, liquid cooled engine. You can just put you can just buy a radiator guard here. If you buy crash guard, doon nyo ilagay na lang yung what do you call this? Yung mga MDLs if you're gonna buy one. And for the headlights, this is using LEDs for the headlight and LED for the turn signal light. Meron siyang DRL. And yeah, that's about it. Ito naman yung itsura ng muffler niya, yung stock muffler niya, this one. Okay, so this one is using or utilizing oil filters. Tapos this has traction control. What else? So just to sum it up, the NX400 has dual channel ABS, front and rear. Sa disc niya, sa brakes, that's dual 296mm rotor on the front and single 240mm on the rear. Single piston on the rear and dual piston brakes on the front. Rally style face with LED lighting system. And yung TFT display nila, that's 5-inch for this one. Okay, so this is the new Honda NX500. Very good competition for the mid-size variants ng adventure bikes. So currently nag-release si CF Moto ng 450 MT. So this is good competition. This is priced at 409,000. This will be available ang sabi by May. So there's a few days away. Can't wait to see this on the streets, and I'm seriously considering this also for our next bike. At least what we have at home are classic bikes, tapos ito naman medyo modern. Okay, so there you have it. This is again the Honda NX500. What does NX mean? It means new experience. Okay, so this is a good competition for the mid-size adventure bikes here in the Philippines. This is once again the Honda NX500, the replacement for the CB500X. More features, most advanced, same engine, but definitely mas upgraded siya. Okay, hope you guys like it. Ciao.